Very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. And this session, I'm just going to create a charting scanners based on the Fibonacci pivot point. So this Fibonacci pivot, the support one, resistance one, something is not available in charting. So we are using that one by the custom indicator. So and after creating the custom indicator, then we are going to create the scanners based on the support or resistance levels which is happening on, or maybe a trend reversal or a support taken, something kind of thing which we are going to create. So before going to that, so we need to get the Fibonacci pivot points on charting. So by using custom indicator or derived indicator method. So I'm just going to tell about how to create it. I've already created my indicators, but I'm not going to share that indicator. Maybe based on that, I'm just going to create some scanners and screeners that may helping you to find out the support and resistance of a particular stocks or an index. Okay, so here this is what a levels for Nifty, and there is a lot of calculators. So I've taken out from one of the website. So this is a classic pivot point in Woody's and Camarilla. So we have already created a Camarilla based pivot point calculators and also pivot point scanners, Camarilla scanners are for breakout, S for support. So a lot of scanners which you have created in charting, and that would be available on my premium telegram group. So the direct link of the scanners where you can access the scanners with a copy and edit, right? It is a one-time charge. If you're really interested, just ping me on the WhatsApp number which shown on this video. So now we are going to create the Fibonacci pivot point. So by using this level, for an example, this is Nifty by the yesterday's chart around 17th data. So open price, open, high, low, and close. So based on this OHLC values, so the Fibonacci calculation will work and to produce R1, R2, R3, and pivot S1, S2, and S3 in this particular Fibonacci pivot points. Okay, so let me try to create that in our charting. Okay, so I'm just going to create a dashboard first in charting. So Fibonacci pivot point. Okay, so let me create a dashboard, then create a new dashboard name Fibonacci pivot. Okay, so Fibonacci pivot. So let me create. So I just already created, and I'm going to add that into here. Fibo, this one, Fibonacci pivot. So initially the dashboard is very clear, and I'm just making a new scan. So first what I'm going to do in this column, so I already created the Fibo series. So Fibonacci pivot point. So these are all the derived indicators. This is not defaultly available in charting. So we have to create that one first. So Fibonacci pivot resistance one. This is what a first thing. And what should be the name of that? So resistance, Fibo resistance one. Okay, let me check that whether it works, and the scanner which you are going to create, that would be going to work. So the resistance one. So and the same like that, I should copy this one to make. I have already Fibo resistance 2 and one more copy Fibo resistance 3. So better. So we can add it like this 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now we are going to add a Fibo pivot. So pivot level. So this is why you can create a custom dashboards also. Okay. So this is what a pivot. Fibo pivot. So I'm just creating this dashboard. We'll try to compare that one, whether it is right or wrong. So one more thing, support Fibo support. So this is a act as a Fibo support one. Okay, so let me do it, and you can copy this one more line and one more line. So here I want to use support 3, and here in this support 2. Okay, so this is what the thing. If I'm using daily, that would be giving you 1 day advance, the levels 1 day advance. For example, if I'm using this, if I'm run this, and a lot of things is showing each and every stocks or indexes detail. So I want to filter only in index. So, okay, so only in indexes, run. So it will be showing only index. Okay. So after that you should add or see, run, add to current dashboard, and a widget name you can give whatever the fibo pivot. Okay, and whatever description, but I'm just testing purpose, I'm just creating, and you should go with this, and we find it. How to scanners, edit layout. I think the charting version is slightly changed. So save layout. Okay. So this is what the levels which is generated based on the indicator which you have created. So I want to confirm whether the level is right or wrong. But I already told you I'm just using the levels. It is for 1 day advance. So these levels which is showing you here in the bottom is tomorrow level. So I want to for today's level because it is in calculation based on the previous day open ILO close, and today's open ILO close already created. So based on that, it is going to create the next day level on Fibonacci pivot point. So what I'm just going to use it here. So I'll simply use it for 1 day ago. So it will take a 1 day ago open ILO close, and it will be showing you today's Fibonacci levels. So whether for a confirmations about the levels are generated by this is right or wrong. So for example, if you are looking at a bank nifty 49,590 is the I think why support one. Okay, so let me save this, submit. So the levels are be totally changed. 49,827 previous one. So why Fibonacci one? Okay, I think we have to change the name. Maybe R2, Fibo R3, Fibo S1, S2. So whatever the name we want, we can create it. Fibo S3. Okay. So see in red. Okay, whatever the levels which is generated, I was taken out the images for a Nifty level. It's all the all the pivot points are mentioned here. So let me confirm with this thing, and Fibonacci series on based on the previous day closing price. So this is what a previous day high, low, close, and open. So let me check with the chart and confirm that closing price is 22,959.5. So where this image is also 22,959.5. So it is exactly the previous data level. Open is 22,809.9. So whether all is right. 809. So the yesterday's data only we are taking out, and based on the yesterday's open ILO close data, we have a Fibonacci series. So this is what the levels are generated. Okay, so I'm just confirming with the Nifty only. So what is the level? So this is the Nifty. Okay, so what is the level? 23,131.13. Will be minimize this to read it very clearly. Okay, so whether we created the scanner, will it works right or wrong? So the levels are mentioned here, and if it works, then the scanner will what we are the using this particular indicator, we can create any scanner that will work. So this is what S3, S2, S1 pivot. Sorry, these are all the R levels. Yeah, support 3 here, support 3, support 2, support 1. Okay, so this is what I think resistance. Yeah, sorry, support resistance R1, R2, R3. So let me compare this Nifty. So 23,135.13. So that level is perfect. Something it mistake here, 22,981.4. This is works perfect. And the 22,886, that works perfect. And the support one 22,991, 22,732, that is also works. And finally, what's happening here, some mistakes here. So what we have created that is having some issue. So we need to be fixed about the levels, Fibonacci levels. And if you are seeing that image, So that is upside is the resistance, lower side is the supports. Okay, so I just tried for, but here it is showing you some mistakes. The values are very mistakes for each and everything. So maybe formula maybe issue. But let me edit that. Here you can see we misstated it, some other things. So if you go support 3, so we to add, and let me run the scan. And what should be the Nifty level? 23 135 point. So now that's seeing support. So run. So support 3, the value is 22 637. So exactly the value we fetched is 22 637.63. that values are working right, but only the value fibo R2 is having some issue, where other values are perfectly working right. So let me check. So let me add it. So if we go resistance to run, I think it is showing you some mistaken value. We have to check that what is happening. Just give me a moment. What is the issue? I'll fix it. I have some issues on the levels on Fibo resistance to R2. So what is happening here in this R2? 23,040. So sorry, support 2. I think we are confused here. So support 1, support 2, support 22,839. So 23,040. Yeah. So this is what a resistance level. So 23,040.16 is the resistance 2. So that is now it is updated 23,040.11. So that is what are 2 levels. And the next level is 23,135.13. that is also be updated. So each levels were we calculated here exactly, and the pivot level is 22,886.38. that is also be exactly calculated, and other levels on support 22,791.36, 22,732.66, and 22,637.63. So all the data are perfectly matched, and what we have created as a custom indicator that was working. So based on the custom indicator, we can create the scanner. So those stocks which meets the conditions on the scanner, that will be filtering by this charting scanner. Thank you so much, and now we have completed the Fibonacci pivot point also with our scanner. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. If you want to learn our option strategy, just ping me on my WhatsApp number, and also want to join our premium Telegram group for the starting scanners which I have created earlier. You can also just ping me on my number to get more detail. So thank you so much. Thanks for watching, and if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel. Thank you.